Easy and Fun!
Wow!
Shall we learn lowercase letters now? Here we go! Wow!